How to download and install OKX app wallet. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bisnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can download and install OKX wallet. Well, the process itself is actually pretty simple and pretty easy, so let me guide you through quick and easy through this video. In order to download and install OKX wallet, what you can do is simply go ahead and head into your Play Store or App Store on your device and search in for OKX wallet and install it. However, if you do not get it on the Play Store or App Store, the other option what you can do is simply go ahead and head into your browser. Now on your browser you can directly head into okxwallet.com, or you can scroll down, you should find Google Play Store link as well. If not, if you scroll down further below, you can head into www.okx.com here, and down at the bottom you should see the OKX app download option. You can tap on download and the download should start right away. So this is how you can download and install the OKX wallet app. Hope this video helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.